Good morning, everyone. Present here. My name is Tanusha. My name is Sanvit. We are studying in grade 2. Today we are enact and simple
Conversation.
Hi. Hello. How are you? I am wonderful. Thank you. How are you? I am great. Thank you. What is your name? My name is Sanjit. What is your name? My name is Tanusha. Where are you from? I am from Chamteshwari Level Layout. Where are you from? I am from Bharati Chunga Layout. Which is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is apple. Which is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Your favorite color? My favorite color is red. Which is your favorite color?